Hello everyone, today we will learn how to add raster and vector data in QGIS. For that, first we have to go to option layer. From here we have to choose add layer, and first we will add the vector layer. I will choose this. Now here we have to browse in our system and add the vector layer shapefile. I will choose this and open it. Now I will add it on our QGIS project. So here is our vector layer. Now we will add the raster layer from the same option, add layer. Now I will choose add raster layer, and here again we have to browse in our system and choose the TIFF format file, which is our raster layer, and I will open it. Now I will add it on our project. So this is our raster layer, which is in a TIFF format.